Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Akpeje. Today I'm making koklu porridge with puff puff. So let's start. So that's my condo inside the bowl. I just use my hand to rub it to make it small. Then I'll transfer it on my plate and look for the big ones and make sure I rub those one to into small size. So there's some big inside. I'll just use my hand and start rubbing it like this again, not too hard. Then I'll break the big one. So now it's ready. I'll put it aside. So now it's time to start doing the puff puff. So I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour. Then I'll sieve it. I'm using 1/4 cup of sugar. If you like sugar, you can use 1 cup of sugar. Pinch of salt. Nut milk. If you have powder nut milk, you can use 1 teaspoon of nut milk. So I'm grinding my nut milk. Now my yeast, I'm using 3 teaspoons of dry yeast. I'm using 2 teaspoons of milk flavor and then 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I'll mix everything together very well so everything has combined. That's my water. I'll be using 2 cups of water, but I'll not use all at once. This warm water, you put your hand inside and see if it's not burning you, then it's good. So you'll be adding the water small until you get to the consistency you want your dough to be. Not too much hard, not too much soft, not too much water or watery. So like this is okay. I'll just go ahead and mix it with my hand very well. So now I finish mixing it. I just use my clean film and cover it. I use my napkin to cover it and put it at the warm place like 20 minutes for the yeast to proof. So guys, while the puff puff dough is proving, let's start making the koklu. So I've put my water on fire. Then the water is boiling. Then I'll use my hand and be putting the koklu dough inside small and stirring it. So now I put my koklu inside already. This is how it look like. So I'll leave it to cook like 5 minutes. So now it's time for my puff puff. It has proved already. My koklu too is ready. I'm adding my sugar. Use the sugar like the according to your taste. That's powder milk. I'll use some warm water and add it to the powder milk and mix it so everything has melted inside very well. Then I'll add it to the porridge and mix it very well. And then my porridge is ready. So now this is my puff dough. It has proved. I didn't take it on time, so it's about to pour, but I say no, you cannot pour. I catch am. So I just use my hand and remove the bubbles from inside. At this point my oil is hot. Yes, it's hot. So I'll start using my hand and be dropping it inside at the size I want. The oil is not that much hot. If not, you burn, the body will cook but inside will not cook. So don't make the oil too much hot. So now I'll start by stirring it, turning it just like this, small, so the time it turn brown or the way I like it. So now it's ready. I'll just go ahead and remove it from the oil. At this point all my kitchen is smelling so good. If you are watching up to this point, tap so good. I just go ahead and remove it from the oil. And guys, trust me, this puff puff is very crunchy and inside is very fluffy. Trust me, try this and see. So now everything is ready. I'll just go ahead and take my bowl and take my porridge and enjoy it with my puff puff. I mean my sweet puff puff. So guys, if you are watching this video and you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more video. Share the video, give your girl a thumbs up, support your girl. Can you see that? So I'll just take puff puff, add it to my porridge. I'm using ideal milk. Then I'll add some to the porridge and start enjoying it. Tap, enjoy it. So this is how you look like. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. For my subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, your support. For the new people, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe for next video.